Hi lovelies, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, what are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, right? So guys, today I have come to share with you this amazing recipe on how you can cure prostate enlargement using just single leaf. So if you are a man here and you are above 40 years. Once you are approaching 40 years, it is ideal, in fact, it is ideal that you start paying attention to your postures. It is advisable that you start doing things that will make the posturate in you never to come out. Once you are a man, you are approaching 40 years. Okay, so but in this video, if you are already 40 and you have not been doing all of this recipe just to keep prostate enlargement away from you, just to keep prostate cancer away from you, I am here to share with you this single recipe on what you can do or what you can use to cure prostate enlargement if you have it already, and if they have diagnosed you of prostate cancer already. This particular video is for you. All I want you to do is to please pay attention to details on how I will direct you on how to cure the prostate enlargement and prostate cancer using only one material. Okay, but before I go into that video, I want to use this great opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos, and to my newer subscribers in the building, you guys are highly welcome. Okay, so guys, moving on to today's video and what brought me here. If you are above 40, you are 40 years already and you are having prostate enlargement, or you have an elderly one who is suffering from prostate enlargement, prostate problem, tell the person never to worry. Tell the person not to waste his or her money treating prostate enlargement or prostate cancer in the hospital. All the person has to do is to just follow this simple step, and 3 days that prostate enlargement will become a history. 3 days, this prostate problem will become a story. Okay, so watch me show you how you can do it. So here in this video, I have the material that you can use to cure prostate enlargement and prostate cancer here. So you can have this cure 3 days, 3 days, and that will become a story. So here is the leaf. This leaf, we call it scorpion tail. In Yoruba, we call it ewe akoko. Ewe, no, agogo. Yeah, ewe agogo. For those of you who understand Yoruba, so they call it ewe agogo. Okay, so it has also spiritual benefit. So the spiritual benefit of this particular leaf, I will not be talking about it today, but that will be on my next video. Okay, but today we are using it for prostate cure, any type of prostate at all, be it cancer, prostate cancer, be it prostate enlargement or whatever, prostate, anything prostate. What you have to do, get this leaf enough. When you get it, but before you go and get this leaf, please go with cowries. You can go with cowries or one kola, one four-headed kola, which we Igbo call it Ojiwara Ano. You understand? So when you get to the place where this leaf is, just drop that kola under the under the leaf, under the leaf where this leaf is growing. Say your intention that, oh, please, I am here to plug you for treatment. Please help me to treat this so ailment that I'm about to treat. If you have your cowrie, just drop one cowrie. If you have cola, just drop one cola and then plug the leaf. When you plug it, come back to your house, wash it very, very well. Remove this tail. Remove this tail. This tail has a lot of spiritual benefits. So that will be on my next video. So this is the leaf that you're going to pluck out. So you plug all of this leaf, then wash it properly. Wash it properly. Rinse it with clean, fresh water. And after that, now use your hand to be squishing it, to be squeezing it as if you are squeezing bitter leaf or you are washing bitter leaf. All right, so if you have a blender, you can just put inside your blender and just add a little bit of water inside it and then blend it. After blending it, now sieve the water. You see that the water is a little bit greenish. Add from it. Now store it in a container. If you have a fridge, store it in the fridge. Then measurement, You take it 3 times in a day. All right. Early in the morning before you eat anything, if you have an elderly one who is suffering from prostate problem, just a shot of it using half cup, then give the person on the empty stomach early in the morning. Let the person drink it before he eats something. Then in the afternoon, give the person the same measurement, and in the night, after eating in the night, let the person drink it. Just drink it for 3 days, and anything prostrate at all will just vanish. So this is a very, very good cure for prostrate and somebody who is not urinating well. Like you are not urinating well, you can also use the same method to make the flow of urine to be flowing frequently. You know, when your urine is flowing frequently, it removes all the toxins in your body. It makes your body to be free. If there is anything that is making you not to be urinating well, okay, this will flush it out by urinating. Okay, so it's a very powerful leaf. Then the spiritual matter of this particular the tails of this leaf, that is why it is called scorpion tail. This is the tail. Okay, so you can just dry it. It pursues evil people around you. It pursues witches and wizards. Anybody coming in your house at night to destroy you, to disturb you using witchcraft manipulation, all you have to do is to dry it and then burn it as incense at night. Burn it as incense at night. You see that witchcraft coming in to disturb you, they will never come into that house again. Okay, so this is one of the benefit of the scorpion tail that I just told you. So the remaining benefit I will still show you on my next teaching. So if you have anyone who is suffering from prostate cancer, prostate enlargement, prostate this, prostate that, and you are 40 years, you are not taking care of your prostate, you are a man. I don't know what you are waiting for. Please, start drinking this to destroy whatever thing that will cause prostrate in your life in the future. If you're already 40 years and above, start taking it. And if you have somebody who is already suffering from prostrate, give this recipe. I bet you 3 days, 3 days, all of this thing will become a history, and the person will be free again. Okay, so guys, that is the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. I love you all. Please, after watching this video, subscribe, share, and like this video. Leave your comment under the comment section. And if you need to reach me out, just chat me up on this number: 090 59825779. 090 I am active on WhatsApp. See you guys on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. I love you all. Bye.